You know, even I thought the days of like childhood slave labor and stuff was over, but I guess I was wrong. Damn, Hyundai. So a lot of interesting things happen in Alabama. That was a lie. There's not a lot that goes on in Alabama. I'm sorry. I mean, unless we're talking about, you know, kissing cousins and all of that interesting dynamic. But one very interesting thing that's going on is they just found out that in the state of Alabama, where Hyundai is manufacturing cars, they had young children and teenagers working over 60 hours a week. Think about that. 60 hours a week. When these kids should be focusing on school and going out and playing and making friendships with other kids, they were working, they were going to school and working 60 hours a week. This is literally your grandparents saying they walked uphill to school in the snow both ways. Home and to school, uphill, in the snow, both ways. That's literally what this is. Like, damn. You know, it's crazy. A lot of people don't get it. And I don't know if it was like, there's still a lot of conjecture and investigation going on there where it's just human trafficking. You know, where did these kids come from? How the hell did somebody, it had to be corporate, right? It had to be Hyundai to approve it, but they're saying it's a separate company or whatever that helps Hyundai build cars. I don't know. How does Hyundai not know that you have children working in your factory? Now, this is the same factory that has had problems with amputation accidents, safety issues, health issues, all kinds of crap has been going on in this factory. So, you know, look, I know this is going to be a thing where like the UAW guys and stuff will be in the comments and go, this is why they should be unionized and blah, blah, blah. Like, I get it. I understand. But you got two extremes, right? We just got to find something in the middle, all right? And this right here, there's no middle ground for this. There's no way in hell that these kids should be working 60 hours a week. I'm all for kids hustling and getting their own money if they wanted to go work or something. Like maybe you're 14 and it's your first job. But putting together cars? Yeah, I manufacturing automobiles as a kid. And now I know you can say it was good enough for my great-grandparents did that shit. They made bombs. They built tanks. The 1930s and 2024 are two totally different things. It is not the same. They put childhood labor laws on the books for a reason. And I'm happy as hell to talk about another company that's not Stellantis. And here's the one thing that's funny. As soon as I heard that there was a factory in the U.S. and that kids were working there or whatever, now, granted, the first thing that popped in my mind was Stellantis. Like, that sounds like some scumbags. That sounds like something that Stellantis would do, right? But knowing that they are unionized, no. So it's Hyundai that's on the scumbag train today. So I thought it was interesting. I probably in the video put the article over here from the drive so you guys can read it. If I get time as I'm moving and traveling, I'll link it. Sorry for my bright red appearance. You know, the beach will do that to you. I am a lobster. You know, it's that's the Boston literally coming out of my skin right now. And before you go, you should wear sunblock, TK. I'm Irish. What do you want from me? Yes, I wear all the stuff I'm supposed to wear, and I still burn. There's nothing I can do about that. Anyways, Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about the issue going on at the Hyundai plants in Alabama. I would really love to know what you guys think. And I apologize in advance if the sun is in y'all's crap, you know, in y'all's face with this video, but I gotta be safe and keep this thing mounted over here where, you know, we can do these videos while I'm driving. But it was relevant news for me. I thought it would be relevant news for you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about Hyundai having kids working at their factories 60 hours a week? That's insane. And what do you think is going to happen? I'd love to hear your insights in the comment section down below. Anyways, wow, a whole day I didn't talk about. I mean, I still mentioned Stellantis in today's video, but no stories about Stellantis. Wow, this might be the only day that I have not talked about them. Are you happy now? Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video.